go to Walmart. Let's buy a new phone. And the Certaphone group has released a new phone. Wow, a new phone? Yes! Let's go. Oh wow, look at that black phone. That's the new phone. Wow, this new phone looks so clean and beautiful. I'm gonna buy it to Mom when they got home. Okay, let's check what's in the Certaphone. It's because this is a new Certaphone that Certaphone group was released. Okay, I'm already in the phone. Oh, let's watch some YouTube. Maybe it's super fun. Wait a minute, there's only 5 apps, but I don't think so. Wow, this is YouTube. It's from 2022 YouTube. Oh, there's a video. I'm gonna click it. Click it, click it. Hello, my name is Evil Alien, and I want to see you. Ah ha 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 ha. Oh my, this video is scary. I'm gonna close the app. I'm scared. Oh my, that was close. Oh, there's this play button with the circle there. I'm gonna click it. It's because I don't think what is that. I'm gonna check it out. Oh, it's Certa videos. Never mind. I'm gonna shut down the phone. It's because it's just very boring and cool. Nothing happens. Please. Finally, the phone already got shut down. See you. It's all just the phone. Goodbye.